At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. The Dr. Now diet refers to the diet plan popularized by Dr. Younan Nowzaradan, a renowned bariatric surgeon best known for his work on the reality television show My 600 Pound Life. This diet is specifically designed for extremely obese individuals, often as a prerequisite to bariatric surgery. The primary goal of the diet is to initiate significant weight loss, improve surgery safety, and instill long-term healthy eating habits. Central to the Dr. Now diet is a drastic reduction in daily caloric intake, typically limited to around 1,200 calories per day. This low-calorie diet focuses on high-protein, low-carb, and low-fat foods. It emphasizes consuming lean protein such as chicken, turkey, and fish, and various non-starchy vegetables. Fruits are included but in moderation, given their natural sugar content. Processed foods, sugary snacks, high-calorie fruits, starchy vegetables, and refined carbohydrates are notably excluded from the diet. Portion control is another critical aspect of the diet. Patients are encouraged to consume smaller portions and are often advised to use smaller plates to help control serving sizes. Hydration is also emphasized, focusing on drinking plenty of water while avoiding sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. The Dr. Now diet plan template is primarily used in specific, medically supervised situations where rapid and significant weight loss is necessary for health reasons. This diet is most commonly associated with patients preparing for bariatric surgery. However, its use extends beyond pre-surgical preparation. When embarking on the Dr. Now diet, as outlined in the free Dr. Now diet plan template, several critical considerations must be considered before, during, and after the diet to ensure safety and effectiveness. Before starting the diet, consult with a healthcare provider to determine if this diet is suitable for your health. Fully understand the diet's restrictive nature. Establish clear and achievable weight loss goals with your healthcare provider. Be mentally prepared for significant lifestyle changes, including drastic dietary adjustments. During the diet plan, follow the diet plan closely, especially if it's a prerequisite for surgery. Ensure you are getting all the necessary nutrients despite the calorie restriction. Supplements may be necessary. Drink plenty of water and avoid sugary or high-calorie beverages. Find healthy ways to cope with hunger and cravings. Regularly consult with your healthcare provider to monitor your health and make adjustments to the diet as needed. After the diet, gradually transition to a more sustainable, balanced diet after reaching your goal or as advised by your healthcare provider. Incorporate the healthy eating habits learned during the diet into your everyday life. Focus on long-term strategies for maintaining weight loss, including ongoing dietary restrictions and regular exercise. Continue to work with your healthcare provider to monitor your health and prevent weight gain. Our Carepatron template for the Dr. Now diet plan is specifically designed for the unique requirements of the Dr. Now diet plan, which is tailored for those seeking significant weight loss. Here are the steps to use our Dr. Now diet plan template. Firstly, download and access the Dr. Now diet plan. Click the link in the description to access the Dr. Now diet plan. Determine your caloric intake. Based on the Dr. Now diet, set your daily caloric intake to around 1,200 calories or as advised by your healthcare provider. Adjust the template to reflect your specific caloric limits and dietary needs. Familiarize yourself with permissible foods. Study the list of foods recommended in the diet, mainly lean proteins, non-starchy vegetables, and specific fruits. Understand the nutritional value of these foods and how they contribute to the diet. Plan your meals. Use a template to schedule your daily meals and snacks, ensuring they align with the diet's guidelines. Pay attention to portion size. Regular monitoring and consultation. Update your weight and other relevant health measurements in the template regularly. Maintain ongoing communication with your healthcare provider, especially for adjustments in health monitoring. Incorporate lifestyle changes. Gradually introduce appropriate physical activities as recommended by your healthcare provider. Use a diet as an opportunity to cultivate healthier eating habits and a better understanding of nutrition. Here is a sample of our Dr. Now diet plan that incorporates the same topics previously mentioned, which you can incorporate into your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website, linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.